Hello students, myself Santosh Boriyar Singh, PGT Computer Science, Mothers Public School, Bhubaneswar. Today I am going to demonstrate some MySQL commands according to your syllabus. So as it was already told to you that it is a free software and you can download it from the net directly, and after successful installation, let us see what I am going to do, and accordingly you will have to follow it up. Please click on this one, and then you will have to go for MySQL. In MySQL you are having MySQL command line client. So this is the screen you are going to see, this one, and here you will have to give the password whatever you had set it up at the time of installation. Here we had already given something, so I had given here. So you can see that the prompt it is coming MySQL, and here we will have to put our commands to see the effect of that one. Another thing I want to tell you here, before going to start the table, we will have to create one database first. This is the rule that you will have to do. And the database creation, it is same to that of, it is like a box where we are going to keep some files. It is similar to that. So here we will have to create a database. And to create the database, we are having a command, create database. But before that, you will have to aware about that the database which one you are going to create, that must not be created beforehand. So if you want to see whether the database which one you are going to give, whether it is already available or not, so one command is there that you can give the command show databases like this. So look at here, SHOW, show databases. Databases I have given, you may check it out. Then I am giving semicolon. Here I have given show databases. So if you will see, only one database is available, MySQL. So I want to create one own database, my own database I want to create first. So for that the command is create database. Suppose the database name I am giving CHSE, then I am giving the semicolon. So it will create a database for you, CHSE, where you can keep so many relations, so many tables, SQL tables. So let's see. It is written query, okay, one row affected. That means one database is already created. So to verify that one, you just give the command again, show databases. So you see, here it is showing you the database name as CHSE on the top. MySQL was there previously. So now CHSE is there here, this one. Okay, I highlighted. So this is CHSE. So within this CHSE, I have to create my own table. I will have to store the records, and I can query the data from that. So already I had created the database. Now I will have to use that database. So how can I use? That means I want to activate that database. So for that, the command will be use database CHSE. Okay, so use CHSE. So look at here, I had given use CHSE, command as use CHSE. So it is showing me database changed. That means my active database is CHSE. And within this, I will have to create different tables. So same rule again we will have to follow, that whenever I am going to create the table, that table must not be created beforehand. So to see whether that table is available under this database or not, we can give the command again, show tables. So here it is showing empty set, means it is not available over there. So I want to create my own table now. Suppose I had planned it like this, that I will have to create a table, a relation whose name is student, having some specific columns, specific attributes like roll number, name, mark, and grade. Let it is given in that way. So if you want to create the table, for that the command, as it was told you before, create table name as it is told. So same method I am going to follow. So here I am writing create table student. You see, create table student. Then, and again I can tell you another thing, the commands is not case sensitive. You can use small letter, you can use capital letter. Even the command can be given in multiple lines even. You can also use multiple lines. But the command will be ends with a semicolon. That means still you are not giving the semicolon. It's not considered that as the command is ended over. So for that, create table student I had created. Then here I am putting the enter key. It will not do anything problem for you. Just put the bracket. Then start creating the attribute names. Let the first attribute I am going to give row. And the data type of that one I am giving, let it be int. And the size let I am giving 3. Means 3 characters length I want to give. Along with that, some constraints also you can give. I am using the word constraints. Means some restricted rules that you will have to follow. That how it will be behaved. That attribute, how it will be behaved. So I want to give it unique. Look at here I am giving unique. Unique means this attribute doesn't contain any repeated data. Whatever data it will contain, that is only the single one it will contain. Means one roll number, suppose 5 I had given, it will not be repeated again. Means I can't give 5 again. Then I am giving name here, name, and I am giving car. Within that size I am giving, let it be 10. And here another constant I may give, not null. That means I can't leave it blank. Another attribute I am going to create, let it is mark. And I am giving the data type as, let it be float, and as float is containing the numerical part, one fractional part. So I am giving here 4, 2. Means in the fractional part I can give 2 digits, and in the numerical part, decimal part, I can give 4 digits. Then here next another one I am giving, let it is grade. I am writing here grade, gr I had given for that. Here I am giving car, let it be 2 characters length. Okay. Then I am putting the close bracket, then semicolon. So now look at here. Here one table is created. So if I want to see that whether that table is created or not, so I can see show tables. So here you may see that it is showing me student table is already created. And next work is that I will have to insert data within that table. So to insert the data, it is the rule that I will have to insert, if I want to follow up, that I will have to insert it in a sequence. Then it is a better way that I will have to go for the figure of that table, how it is created and which attribute is available after which one. So you can follow up that one by giving a command like this. DSC stands for describe. DSC student. So it will show you the format of that table, how it was created. So here it is available role, name, mark and grade. So accordingly we will have to give. जो sequence दिया है से sequence रे हमको डाटा दबा. तो मु एटे देखिनेली जे रोल नंबर अछि, नेम अछि, मार्क अछि, ग्रेड अछि. रोल रो डाटा टाइप इंटीजर माने न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू देबी. नेम रे कैरेक्टर माने नाम अल्फाबेट्स किछि देबी. मार्क रे फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट वैल्यू मींस डेसिमल value like 96.3 something like that. Grade character type ro, that means A, B, C, D something I will have to give. So this is the structure of that table. Now I am going to insert the data whatever it is required for me. So to insert the data, the command is insert into. Insert into. So let us see how we are going to implement. Insert into. Table name is that student. Okay. Then I am giving here Again, as I told you, the command can be given in multiple line. I am giving enter key. Then I am writing values. You may give in that way, or another method also you can adapt. Insert into student along with the attribute names. That one also I will show you after this one. Insert into student values. So first value I am giving. First one is in roll number. Let it be I am giving 5. Name I am giving. Let it is here Ramesh. Okay. Then I am giving the mark. Let the mark is 98.6 and the grade I am giving it as capital A. And you see the characters wherever I had used, I am enclosing them with the single quote. That is compulsory for you. Otherwise, it will show you error messages over there. So then I am putting the semicolon. Look at here. It is writing query okay, one row affected. That means one row already inserted in that table. And that row, that tuple, it is also called as the tuple, having the name as Ramesh, roll number as 5, mark as 98.6 and the grade is A. It was inserted. So here one record is inserted. But if I want to insert more records, again I can follow the same condition, same method, insert into student values like that. But it may be bored for you that one record when how many times I will have to insert. It is a better way that I will have to insert it. 4 to 5 records I want to insert at a time. Then what I will have to do? I can write it in this way. Insert into student. Then I am writing here values. Okay. Then here I am giving the common bracket, giving another roll number. Let it be 3, comma. Here suppose I am writing Suresh. Okay. Then the marks, let it be 54.8. Let the grade is C. This is one record. Then put comma. Press enter key. Again another record, whatever you want to input, like 7. Let it is. I am giving here Rajiv. Okay. Mark is, let it is 87.3. Okay. And the grade is, let it be. Okay. Again put comma. Another record also you can input, like let it is 4. Name is Ashok. I had given here. The mark is 63.9, let it be. And here I am giving, let it is again C. Okay. And after inputting this one, I am giving semicolon here. Look what it is given. Query okay, 3 rows affected. So that means now 3 row. Previously I had added 1. All total 4 rows, 4 tuples, 4 records I had already added in that table. So if you want to see that actually it is loaded or not, I want to confirm. So for that we will have to go for the query part. And in query, so many things we can do. Actually our aim is to query the table contents. So here query you can do so many things. Like in different ways you can query the data. Only attributes you can see. Only records along with some conditions, based on some conditions you can give. So here if I want to see the entire record along with the entire structure, means the complete table I want to see, then I can keep the command over here like this, select asterisk, and I may tell you here this asterisk symbol we are using for all the attributes. Attribute means all the column names, and I have the columns, 4 columns I have. One is your roll number, another one is your name, next one is your mark, and next one is your GI. If I want to see all the attributes, then I can use asterisk for that. But if you want to see specific attributes, then you have to give the specific names. But here I am using asterisk because I want to see the entire attributes. Then select asterisk from, this is the command, from tablet student. Then semicolon. When I am giving this command and pressing the enter key, you see it is showing me all the records whatever I had added. You may check this one. Here I am highlighting, you may check this one. First I had given Ramesh, having the mark, grade, everything I is there. That means this is also called as query. So in this query, I had not given any restriction neither to the column nor to the row. माने मु रो पाई रेस्ट्रिक्शन देनी कि कॉलम पाई भी रेस्ट्रिक्शन देई नाही पूरा देखिया पाई चाहूँ तेणु जदि मु कॉलम को रेस्ट्रिक्शन दबा पाई चाहे मु चाहिए जे मु केवल नाम मार्क देखिया दरकार मोर बा नाम मार्क ग्रेड देखिया दरकार रोल नंबर देखिया दरकार नहीं ठीक अछि आई कैन गिव इन दैट वे एंड another thing also you can remember that attributes whatever I want to see it is not mandatory for me to go in the same sequence सेमिति किसी restriction rule नहीं जे नेम पर मार्क अछि माने मते लिखियो पड़ियो नेम पर मार्क क्वेरी बेले डाटा एंट्री करिया कथा कोनी क्वेरी बेले दरकार नहीं तो मु नेम पर ग्रेड तापर मार्क भी दे परिबी बा फर्स्ट मार्क तापर नेम तापर ग्रेड भी दे परिबी इट इज अप टू मी so let us see how can you do this so I am writing select name and intentionally mu dojiti grade first name तापर grade then I am giving mark from student. Look what I had given, carefully check this one. I had given here select name grade mark, whereas in my table it is given name mark grade. I had changed the sequence, it is fine. So I am pressing the enter key now. Look and what it is coming, you see first name is coming, then grade is coming, then mark is coming. मु जेन देइथिली सेमति आसुची ता माने नहे ओरिजिनल टेबल से चेंज हे जेती सेमति किछ ये केवल क्वेरी इंटरैक्टिव ओके तो तमरो रहला कोन ना नेम रहला ग्रेड रहला मार्क रहला सो आई एम रेस्ट्रिक्टिंग हियर फॉर द कॉलम्स नॉट फॉर द रोज रो का हो कहबा एगुडा को होचंती रो ए माने होचंती रो एगुडा सब रो किंतु ए जो नेम मार्क ग्रेड अछि एगुडा को होचंती कॉलम तो मु एठी रो पे किसी रेस्ट्रिक्शन दे नाही दे नथली तो सब जगह रो आसी चारटा आसी बट फॉर दिस कॉलम्स आई हैड गिवन द रेस्ट्रिक्शन तीनटा कॉलम देखियो चाहिथिली चारटा नुहे तो जहा जहा देखियो चाहिथिली सेति आसी अच्छा दिस इज द क्वेरी हाउ वी कैन सी द एंटायर रोज बट समटाइम इट इज रिक्वायर्ड दैट आई डोंट वांट टू सी द एंटायर रोज rather I want to see the specific rows. Means I want to see, suppose that the students information, to see the students information, those score more than 60. More than 60. So let us see. For that, what will be the command? The same command, query command, whatever I have given over here. This one will be continue. This one will be continue. Along with that, I will have to add a little bit more. Some certain condition I have to put, certain condition I have to implement. Kemiti? Now look at here. So I can give here select. You may check the previous one, whatever I had given here. Select name, comma. If you are giving star, then it will show me everything. All the columns it will show me. Select asterisk from student. Okay, and putting here where. The condition now I will have to give. What the condition? Condition is mark is greater than mark mark greater than 60. Let it be. Let us see what happens. I have given here select asterisk from student where mark greater than 60. ता माने मु या देखिया चाहूची सब कॉलम देखिबी कारण asterisk देज माने सब कॉलम देखिया पई चाहूची किंतु को मन कर होया जोठी की मार्कटा मोर देन 60 थिबो सेम नंबर देखियो समस्त तो if I press the enter key here, look at here what happens. You see, if you compare the first table, it is the entire information. Ramesh 98.6, Suresh 54.8, Rajiv 87.6, 63, Ashok 63.90. But after giving the condition where student mark is greater than 60, you may see here Suresh information is not available. Look, Suresh information is not available. Why? Because Suresh mark is less than 60. My condition is more than 60. So as it is not satisfied, so it is not showing me. Very simple thing. Okay. If I want to, again I want to restrict the column as well as the row. Means I want to see only the name and mark of the students. Those are score more than 60. So for that, what will be the command then? As I told you, I want to see the information of the name and marks only. Select. So here I am giving name, comma, mark from student, I am putting the condition now where mark greater than 60. Students, please check it out. The previous command I had given select asterisk from student where mark is greater than 60. But here I had changed a little bit. In place of asterisk, I had used name mark. Other condition is there. That means I want to see the name and mark of the student who score more than 60. जो मैंने 60 रु अधिक रखिछंती तांकर सब इनफॉरमेशन मु चाहूँ केवल ना मार्क टा केते अछि. Okay, then we will have to press the enter key over here. Look, so here you see it is showing me the same information जहाँ तमे पूर्व देखिथिलो सेही रमेश राजीव अशोक, सेही रमेश राजीव अशोक भी अछि, किंतु केवल नेम और मार्क अछि. एठी रोल नंबर नाही कि ग्रेड भी ना. Okay, this one you see I had highlighted, so you check this one. You see fine. This is one query. Next, another query I am going to do. Sometimes we may need that in between some marks I want to check it. Similarly, that condition whatever I had given where mark is greater than 60, it is not compulsory always. जब मु सब बड़े मार्क को नहीं काम करी ना मु ग्रेड को नहीं काम करी परिबी ना को नहीं काम करी परिबी डिफरेंट कंडीशन को इंप्लीमेंट करी परिबी. तो एबे देखिबा जदि मोर मार्क जहा अछि मु एटे आउथर देखै नोछि जे टेबल ले कोन कोन मोर इंफॉर्मेशन अछि. मु एटे लिखली सिलेक्ट asterisk from student. So here the complete information is like this. मु एटे चाहूची जो मनकर मार्क 60 रु 95 भीतर थिबो सेही मनकर इंफॉर्मेशन देखिया पय चाहूची. 60 रु 95 राइट. अच्छा, तो इट इज अ रेंज इन बिटवीन. तो 60 रु 95 and it is included even 60 भी ऐड हो 95 भी ऐड हो. तेणु ये दी जन को रेंज भीतर जो पिला मानकर इंफॉर्मेशन अछि मु देखिया पय चाहूची. ताले मु कोन करली ना मु एठी एमित कंडीशन देबी सिलेक्ट. अगेन यू कैन यूज नेम मार्क, नेम comma mark or asterisk also you can use. Mark from student where mark you can implement two ways. One is by putting the logical operator and another one is by using between. First I am going to show you how we are going to implement and operator. Student where mark greater than equal to 60 I am writing and mark less than equal to 95. Check it what I had given the condition. You please go through this one. Mark greater than equal to 60 and mark less than equal to 95. मार्क टा 60 किंबा ताठरो अधिका होथिबो एवं ता सहित मार्क टा लेसर इक्वल टू 95 होथिबो. एठी हमें और दबानी और देले दीटा को पई ट्रू हे जो जे 50 रखिछि से भी ट्रू हे जो का अनुसार सेकंड कंडीशन अनुसार. जदी 96 रखिछि से भी ट्रू हे जो फर्स्ट कंडीशन अनुसार. जदी और देली तो बट आई हैड गिवन and that means both should be fulfilled. Greater than equal to 60 हो तो ता सहित 95 रु कम हो ताहा. So in this case when I am going to press the enter key, check it out what it is going to show me. You see, it is showing me only two students information, that is Rajiv and Ashok. It is not showing me here Ramesh, not showing Suresh, not showing, because से दी जन ये कंडीशन फुलफिल करू नांती. ओके, अच्छा यही जो कंडीशन आमे देले, यही जो कमांड देले, याकू मध्य आमे अलगा वे रे भी लिख परिबा. केमिति? बाय यूजिंग बिटवीन कमांड. So look at here what we are going to use. We are using select name, comma, mark from student where mark between, look at here whatever I am giving, between 60 and 95. Students, please carefully check it out whatever I have given. Here condition I had given mark greater than equal to 60 and mark less than equal to 95. Here I had given mark between 60 and 95. It is easy to write. Mark between 60 and 95. So it is easy as well as it is very easy to understand also even. So I have given this one. Let us see whether the same output it is showing me or not. Means same Rajiv also it is showing me or not. Look at here. Look, same it is shown. Here previous command, as per the previous command, it was showing me Rajiv Ashok. Here as per this command, here also it is showing me Rajiv and Ashok. So this is the implementation of between command. Next, we are coming to in command. As like as I have told you, and is there. And is one operator is there, logical operator. Similarly, in is also there. Or is also there. तो और रे कौन हुए एटा नहले सेटा ता माने एठी मु देखिया को चाहिबी एमिति मु आ गोटे कंडीशन दे देखुची. देखो मु एटले लिखली सिलेक्ट, फर्स्ट मु टेबलटा पूरा देखुची कोन कोन अछि देखिनियो फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट. देखो एतिके इंफॉर्मेशन मोर अछि आ भितरे मु एठी लिखली सिलेक्ट आस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम student where grade is equal to A or grade is equal to C. So please carefully look at here. I have given select asterisk from student where grade is equal to A or grade equal to C, or I have given. That means it will show me the information of the student if his grade is A or C. Okay, but B it will not show me. So let's see. So it is showing me these three datas: Ramesh, Suresh, Ashok, because these three students they are either A or C. The same one I can also write in another way by using in, as like as and I had used, and after that I had used between. Similarly here I had used or, and now I am going to show you the same thing by using in. So what I have to write? I have to write select asterisk from student where grade in, then put the bracket, write down whatever you need. Here I am writing A, then C, bas, that's it, because as per our table it is that much it is given. Select asterisk from student where grade in AC, you see I have given it in this way, grade AC. So let's see whether the query it is coming the same one or not. Look at here, you will see the previous one, this command, the result, this is the result. According to this command, this one is the result. You will see both are same. This one and this one, both are same. So here we come to this point, जे जोठी और यूज करी काम करि परिबा सेठी इन यूज करि भी काम करि परिबा. ओके हे गला. अच्छा ये हे गला बिटवीन एंड और इन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. एबे देखला पैटर्न मैचिंग, ये तो सब पळेला नंबर रे आ लेटर रे सिंपल सिंपल क्वेरी रे. मु भी एमिति भी चाह पारे जे सेही पिला मानकर नाम देखिया पई चाहिबी जो मानकर ना स्टार्ट हेइतबो आर रे. से रमेश हो पारे, रवि हो पारे, रविशंकर हो पारे, राजेश हो पारे, किसी भी हो पारे आर रे जार ना स्टार्ट होती सो मुझे देखनी है टेबल कौन अच्छी सिलेक्ट आस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट each moment I am giving this one only to confirm that how many datas are there within that. So this one is the data, and if you will see here two students name is there, Ramesh is there, Rajiv is there, but I don't know how many students name is already there over here, and I want to see that the students information those are start with R. Let us see how can I do this. I am writing here select asterisk from student where name like, look at here I am using a new command like, and students I may tell you here this is much more important for you, this like command is case sensitive. Case sensitive means if you are giving, case sensitive means that condition whatever I am going to give, if I am giving it in small letter then it will search the small letter, if I am giving capital letter then it will search the capital letter. So it is case sensitive, so you will have to carefully you will have to give. And in a like command you can use two separate characters, one is percentage symbol, another one is your underscore symbol. Percentage is for any number of characters, whereas underscore is for single characters. So I am going to implement that one. Look at here. I have given here name like R A. Then I am giving R percentage. I am giving R percentage. Capital R percentage. You see what it is going to show me. Here, look. I had given here name like R percentage, capital R percentage. So here you see the query. It is showing me Ramesh, Rajiv. Only two, whereas Suresh Ashok it is not going to show me. Achha, if as I told you it is case sensitive, I am going to show you actually it is case sensitive or not. Please check this one that I have given here small r, right? Here I am giving small r. Let us see whether the query it is showing me or not. Look at here. Previously I had given this command select asterisk from student where name like capital R percentage. And in my table capital R it is there, names are there, so that's why it is showing me Ramesh and Rajiv. एबे मुझे कमांड गुटे चेंज कर दे खाली चेक करिया पाई जे एटा केस सेंसिटिव अछि ना मु लिखली सिलेक्ट आस्ट्रिक फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट वेयर नेम लाइक स्मॉल r परसेंटेज देखिबा से रमेश और राजीव आछि ना नहीं. So you see here it is coming. Okay, just a minute. From name like R percentage. So it is depending upon the versions of MySQL that somewhere it may be case sensitive, somewhere it may not. So here it is not showing any case sensitive mode. It is accepting that one small r, capital R both. So it is depending upon the version. Okay. So this is percentage symbol. Similarly, another one is there underscore. So what happens in underscore? You see, underscore it is used for what purpose? Now for a single character. Single character means as many number of underscore I will give, that many number of characters it will search. For example, if I am giving here select asterisk from student where name like, here I am giving RA, then I am giving 3 underscore I have given. It is looks like as if it is a single line, but actually I have given here 3 underscores. It will be visible like that. So you please check the command whatever I have given, select asterisk from student where name like starts with RA, capital RA, then I had given here 3 underscores. means after array 3 characters should be there. So let us see. Here you see it is showing me only Rajiv. It is not showing me Ramesh. Why? Because in Ramesh there are 4 characters after array, but in Rajiv after array 3 characters are there. So as it is satisfied, so it is showing me that one. Clear? So this is how we are going to query the data based on the condition like, in, between, and as well as or even. Okay? Then we are coming to the next part, that how we will have to implement the aggregate functions, max, mean, and all these things. So before going to show you max, mean in the same table, I am going to create another table. As a result, it will be more easier for you. So I am going to create another table, because I had created this table only what student. If you want to be conform, then you can use show tables. So you see in my database, here it is written tables in CHSE. If you can recall, I had made the database CHSE. After that I had used the database CHSE. That means currently I am in that database, CHSE database. Within that only one table is there, student table. Then I want to create another table. Let it be create table customer, let it be customer. Okay. Within that I am going to keep some informations like CID, customer ID, which is I am keeping it as int of size 5 I had given, and here I am writing unique as well as not null also, not null. And instead of using unique not null, you can also use primary key, because unique and not null is also called as primary key. So after that I am giving customer's name I am giving, okay, and that is of character type. Size I am giving as, let it be 15 I am giving. Then here another one I am giving, another attribute, let it is city, means the customer belongs to that city. And this is also character, here also I am giving, let it be 15. Okay. So after that I am putting the common bracket, close common bracket, then semicolon. So you see, just a minute. Oh, I have given one comma over there, that's why it is showing me error. I am creating it again. Create table customer, then here CID, here I am giving int, it is of 5, and next I am giving unique, then I am giving the name where it is given car. Please look at here, car I am giving 15, then comma I am giving, then here I have where it is city, car, here I am giving 15. Okay, then send it. Sorry students, again spelling mistake I did, CHA I have typed instead of car. Just a minute. Create table customer, then I am giving CID of size int, here I am giving 5, unique, then name CHAR, here it is 15 bracket, then I am giving here city CHAR, again 15, then so again I am doing this one. Create, actually some keyboard error that is showing. Create table customer. Here I am giving CID integer size I am giving, let it is 5, and here I am giving unique. Okay, then name car, then 15, then I am giving city CHAR, here again also I am giving 15. Okay, then so look at here, the command I have given, create table customer CID city query. Okay, that means it is table is created. So to confirm that actually table is created or not, so I can give the command over here, show tables. Look at here, show tables. I mean actively in the database CHAC, so there I want to see. So you will see that we are having two tables, one is customer and another one is student. In student we had made so many queries, so now I am going to show some information in customer, but before that I will have to, what I will have to do, I will have to insert the rows. So here I am inserting the rows like this, insert into table name is customer, here values, as I told you, multiple rows you can input, customer, then values, then I am giving first CID is there. If you can recall, I had given the CID, I have given 1005, this is the customer ID. Name I am giving, here I am giving Vikas Gupta, let it be Gupta. Okay, and the city name is I am giving BBSR. Okay, BBSR, Bhubaneswar. Then I am giving another customer ID. Let it is 1203, and name is Ramesh Sahu. Let it be. Okay, and city is, let it is KHRD, Khurda. I had given like this. Then another one, let it is 1052. Here I am giving Vikas Dubey, let it be. Okay, again the customer is again from, let it be BBSR. I will have to create so many, as a result you can easily get it. Okay, then here another idea I am giving, let it be 1320. Okay. Then I am giving here Jigisa Misra. Okay, again I am giving here CTC Cuttack I have given. Look at here. Okay, similarly another one also I am going to give, the last one I will have to input 156 here, 1165 suppose, and here I am giving here I can give something Keshav Singh. Okay, and here I am giving the city name as KHRD like this. Look. Okay. After that I am putting the semicolon. So let us see. So here it is showing me 5 rows affected. That means 5 rows are already added within this. So if you want to see actually all the information, so the same command again, select asterisk from customer. Look at here, customer. Look. These are the information I had given. All these informations I had given. Now in this I am going to make some queries in a different way. Like I want that what is the maximum CID, what is the minimum CID. It may be from a student table, or if you will see about the student table, look at here, select asterisk from student. These two tables we have already created. One is customer table, this one, another one is your student table from this one. So this from student table